It's all rusted. It's a 2016 Toyota Corolla LE Plus. You wouldn't think that that would be a problem, would you? But it is, and that's a 10 millimeter to do that. I'm going to loosen this up here. 13 millimeter. Uh-oh. Nope. Then 13 millimeter is not going to do it. We'll use a 1/2 inch socket. There we go. Okay, that did it. So what you want to do next is take it off. Let's see. And make sure you use a cloth or something to set that on. You want to clean that area out of there, the dirt out. I wouldn't blow on there, but I just did. Okay, let's take this off of here. Maybe we can use the same nut on that. If so, then that's good. On this new battery post connection. That's what I'll call it, a battery post connection. Goes right on there. I'd rather use the one they had if it will fit. It does not, so you're going to have to use theirs. And everything is different sized. And will come off of there. I don't think that's a 1/2 inch. Leave that loose. Don't tighten that all the way down. Okay. And we got it straight across. Tighten it down again. There's a boxed in end wrench that I'm using, 11 millimeter. You don't want to overdo it. That's better. That's about right. I'm sorry, that's the best I can do for this video. You can keep the old stuff. You can try to clean it up maybe. Put it in some kind of solvent. But as you can see, it's pretty bad. And I want to see if this is going to work. It should be okay. But you know, stuff is cheap. That's the way it is. Okay, that's the installation of the attachment for your battery post. I'm Cooler and I'm out.